In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this scene in 4 minutes. Let's press Shift-A to create a honeycomb. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll use 25 rows and columns. Tab to go to edit mode. F to fill. 3 to face select. Select one of the hexagons. Shift-G to select area. Ctrl-I to invert the selection, and X to remove the selected faces. Tab to go to edit mode. A to select all, and E to extrude. Let's create a background plane. Let's switch the render engine to Eevee, and activate the bloom setting. I'll add a metallic material to the honeycomb, and an emission shader to the ground plane. Let's make sure the origin is set to the 3D cursor. We'll be adding the wave modifier to create a ripple motion, and the origin of the mesh will decide where the ripple would start. There is our hexagon animation. We can adjust the ripple speed like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.